everyone, this is a home practice sequence for Bindusar basic tool. We'll begin with the surya namaskara of Hatha Yoga 2 times. Inhale, arms up, arch your back, squeeze the buttock. Exhale, forward bend, head to the knee. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Exhale, right back, put the knees down, hips on your heels. Bring the chest on the mat. Inhale to cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg forward, look up. Exhale, right forward. Inhale, come up, arch your back. Exhale, come back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, head to the knee. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Exhale, left leg back, putting the knees down, hips on the heels. Inhale, roll over to cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, right forward, look up to the ceiling, keeping the leg at the back straight. Exhale, left forward, head to the knee. Inhale, come up, arch your back. Exhale to Samasate. Now we'll do 2 rounds of the Surya Namaskar A of Ashtanga. This is a bit dynamic one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, head to the knee. Inhale, look straight up. Exhale, Chaturanga back, take the weight on the arms. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Here you will stay for 5 breaths. Put the chin on the chest. You try to make your arms straight. You rotate the shoulders towards the spine. Lengthen the lower back and breathe 5 times. You will take a deep breath. Lengthen the arms, lengthen the back. And slowly jump forward with a deep inhalation. Inhale, look straight out. Exhale, head to your knees. Inhale, come up with the straight back, look up to your hands. Exhale to Samasate. We repeat one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, head to the knee. Inhale, look straight up. Exhale, Chaturanga back. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Stay here for 5 breaths, keeping the same adjustment, lengthening the arms, back, and making the legs straight from your knees. Try to listen to the sound of your Ujjayi breath. This will help you to calm down. Inhale, slowly jump forward, look straight out. Exhale, head to the knees. Inhale, come up, and rest, and breathe 2 times. Now we'll begin the standing sequence. Inhale, arms up. You squeeze the buttocks, pull the abdomen in, and slowly take the heels up to the Tadasana. Fix the gaze to a point. And try to breathe 2 to 5 breaths. It depends on the time, that how much time you have to practice. You stay there for a couple of more breaths. Each time when you inhale, you try to lift the ribs up. Exhale, heels down, and slowly bend forward, keeping the tip of the fingers on the mat. You will just try to straighten the back, your legs, your arms, and bring a total extension of the joints in the body. Look straight, the breath should go deep, abdominal breath. And stay there for a couple of breaths. Slowly hold your big toes. Try to pull the toes up into the padangusthasana A and taking the head to your knee. Staying there for 4 to 5 breaths. Shift the weight of the body a bit to the toes. Inhale, look straight. Bring the arms straight with straight back. Exhale, bend forward one more time. Keeping the back straight. This time you try to hold the heels and bring the chest and the head as close to your legs. This is a padangusthasana, the strong flexion of the back. Stay there for a couple of more breaths, keeping the breath deep and normal. Inhale, look straight up. Exhale, and come back into Samasate. We go into the neck straight, balancing. Raise your right leg up, hold with the toe. Slowly look forward, gaze straight, left leg straight by squeezing the left buttock. Exhale, turn the right leg on the right side. Look to the left if you can balance. If not, then keep looking straight. Inhale, bring the leg in the front. Left arm forward. Hold the leg and slowly rotate the lower back. This is a Thita Hasta Padangusthasana series. Hold your foot with both the arms, keeping the back straight and strong extension of the leg on what we are standing. This we do from the right side. Now we'll repeat the same from the left. Inhale, hold the big toe, keeping the back straight, chest open, fixing the gaze for a couple of breaths straight. With the third exhalation, move the leg to the left, look to the right, breathing deep, squeezing the buttock, keeping the back straight in line with the leg. Inhale, leg forward, bringing the right arm on your left leg, rotating the lower back, keeping the balance intact. Coming back with the next breath, hold the foot, raising the back straight and looking for 2 breaths straight. Just turning, balancing down. Exhale, come back, we do the Vinyasa. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, straight back. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg forward, Virabhadrasana, the warrior 2. Is a kind of a hip opening pose, followed by Utthita Parsha Konasana, the extension of the flank. Exhale, bring the right arm beside your right foot, taking the left arm over the head, and keep the gaze firm on the left hand. You keep the breath normal for 2 to 5 breaths. Exhale to Chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. We repeat the same with the left. Inhale, the left leg forward, keeping the arms open. You have to open the hip. The knee should face to the third toe. Slowly with the next exhalation, bring the arm down beside your left foot. Take the right arm over the head. Look up to the center of your palm. The gaze should be fixed. And breathing 2 more times. Inhale, exhale deep. Exhale to Chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale to down dog, chin to the chest, looking to the navel. Straightening of the back. Inhale, step the right leg forward. We go into the lizard, placing the forearm on the mat and bringing the forehead to the ground. If you find difficult, you can keep the forehead on the top of your arms. Staying there for 4 to 5 breaths, a passive stretch on the left thigh. Inhale, change the leg. Slowly, on the same leg, we sit on the right buttock into the half pigeon pose. You are trying to keep the left leg straight at the back, holding the mat and opening the chest. It might be difficult for some of you. You can put the block under your buttock. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg forward, putting the forearm on the mat, head down to the floor, and feeling the passive stretch on the right psoas. It's a hip flexor. Taking the weight on your arms, sitting on the left buttock, making the right leg straight at the back, opening the chest, turning the lower back, hold the big toe, and look up to the ceiling. Breathe for 4 to 5 breaths. Open the chest, open the hip. Exhale to downward facing dog. Raising the right leg up, keeping it straight. Normally you are supposed to keep the hip straight so that the toe should be pointed to the ground, but I normally open the hip because we are preparing for the split for the Hanumanasana. Inhale slowly. You can do both the versions. If you have a straight hamstring, you don't need to keep the toe pointed to the floor. Repeating with the left again. Exhale, bringing the leg down and slowly jump forward to Paschimottanasana. Raising the arms up, holding the feet from the side, applying the lock on the wrist. If you find difficult, you can hold the toe, you can use the strap, and bring the head to the knee. It's a classical version of Paschimottanasana. Bringing a total compression on your abdomen, keeping the leg straight. Staying there for 5 to 6 breaths. For the first round, we'll do 2 rounds of this. In this, you can feel the abdominal contraction. Inhale, raise the arm up. We'll bring the same contraction without using the help of the biceps, keeping the arms beside your feet, pushing the palms on the floor, head down to the knee. Continue to breathe for 4 to 5 times. Deep breathing. Inhale, slowly come back. Back Chaturanga. Inhale, exhale, down dog, and slowly jump to sit. Inhale one more time, lift the weight, jump back, raise the up dog, exhale, down dog. We do it to strengthen the core, as in the basics 2 is the flow sequence. Keeping the chin to the chest, looking to the abdomen, the left leg forward, and we try to do the basic warming up for the split. There's a Hanumanasana. Keeping the back straight and the left leg in the front, keeping the right leg half bent so that the weight is divided between the left heel and the right knee. You don't need to push in the beginning. Exhale, we slowly change the leg. With the same way, we try to make the left knee on the mat and slowly making the right leg straight, balancing the weight on the heel and the knee. And if you find this much is also enough, if you're practicing in the morning, this need more practice and expertise on the hamstrings. We'll slowly take this left leg up. We'll try to bend the knee and we'll try to open the hip. We keep it straight. Exhale, slowly step the leg forward and don't push the leg which is in the front. You have to step back with the leg which is at the back, like as if you see I'm moving with this right leg back. This process of, if you don't do it, you might injure the hamstring, which is called the reciprocal inhibition. The weakest muscle will break. So that's why I use the back leg quadriceps to move forward, to move back, opening the chest, staying there for 2 to 3 breaths. It's an advanced posture. Exhale, bend forward. It is not recommended for you at all. And then slowly you need to repeat with the other side very gently. I will do the padangusthasana. Inhale, left leg up. Hold with the big toe, placing the right hand on the right thigh. Exhale, the head up. It might be possible that most of you cannot put the leg on the head straight, so you will do as much as you can. Bring the head down. Exhale, the left leg on the side, squeezing the right buttock and keeping the right heel fixed on the floor. Inhale, bringing the leg up. Exhale, releasing the leg down. Inhale, raise the right leg up. Hold the big toe, placing the left hand on the left thigh. Exhale, the head up, using the muscles biceps, brachii of arm. Staying there for 2 to 3 breaths. If you have more time, you can stay for 7 to 10 breaths. Inhale, head down, keeping the left heel fixed, and exhale the right leg on your right side. Stay there, feel the opening of the hip for 2 to 3 breaths. This total sequence will take 15 minutes of the day. Inhale, taking the leg up. Exhale, bring it down. You will hold the posture for coming 2 to 3 breaths. Slowly bend the legs. Apply the lock on your ankles. This is a gentle back bend for the lower back extension. Keeping the feet parallel, pushing the heels down, shoulders down, squeezing the shoulder blade to the spine and squeezing the buttocks up. Making the back straight for 5 to 6 breaths. The last part of the sequence is the headstand series. Staying in the down dog. Bringing the head down, showing opening of the chest. Taking the child pose, opening the arms in the equilateral triangle. Putting the head there. Walking slowly forward. And taking the leg straight if you can. If you cannot, you can use the format whatever you like, while bending one knee, then followed by a second. Taking both the knees. So you'll do it as you find. I'm doing with the straight leg. Keeping for 4 to 5 breaths, generating a kind of a slight arch on the back. Exhale, slowly come back with the straight leg, using the core of the back muscles. Holding the leg to the 90 degree or below the 90 if you have a stronger abdominal core. Inhale, slowly going up on half the way, using the use of the buttocks. Exhale, bringing it down again and holding for a couple 4 to 5 breaths. This will use the forearms, shoulders and the back extension. Exhale, take the rest in the child pose and relax. This is the end of the sequence.